so worth it, dude. On top of my story today, we were flying with a group of 15 spotters on board 8. Oh, you're in 29J, you didn't see the home.
Board here for S and B gate. Exit for S gate. Remain on board for A and B.
With Sarah, we are the agent booking your flight this morning. And please take a moment and help me to join and give a big congratulations to Captain Truist. He's going to retire today on this flight. Please give him a big clap. Thank you so much for joining us.
We've got a little bit of that Japanese technique in there, I see. I like it. I like what you do. The objective is not to get it on your clothes. Yeah. Good.
There's quite a few of you in the gate area, so we do ask for your assistance. If you could please make sure you are social distancing. There's a line around you.
Please stop for me.
Thank you. Thank you.
No guys, huh? No girls?
Oh, we got girls in the
Give me 1 second. Let me hand you a wipe.
Oh my god, perfect. Hi, the flight, guys.
essentials first. If you're traveling with more than one carry-on, we kindly ask you that you go ahead and place that item underneath the seat in front of you. Do keep in mind that if you're in the bulkheads, all items, regardless of size, must go on the overhead.
Truex. It's just under 4 hours of flying time to get us there. Should be a smooth ride. Looking forward to the flight. We're going to treat you just like your family, and if you looked around, my family is on board, so I know we're going to treat you that way. Thanks for flying with us today, and sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight with us. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Captain Truex again. We've got all the fuel we need on the airplane, but we may have to just move it slightly in one of the tanks, so one of our maintenance guys is going to sneak up real quick in the door and get it squared away so we can be on our way. So I apologize for the slight delay.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard once again on Flight 673 to Atlanta. Our flight time today, 3 hours and 52 minutes. Before we depart, we ask that you please direct your attention to the video screens located throughout the cabin for a brief presentation of the safety features of our A350. If you have any questions after the safety video, the flight attendants will be in the aisle to assist you. We'd like to thank you for choosing Delta and
homes, creating opportunities, and changing lives.
Because if we connect at the human level...
Ladies and gentlemen, I do apologize for interrupted safety video. This is your first officer speaking. You'll see the fire trucks on both the left and the right side of the aircraft. They're here as a part of the celebration for Captain Truex's retirement. Everything is fine. There is not an emergency in place. However, as a tradition, we do have an arc of the water hoses that he'll be taxiing out on this afternoon.
We connect the world.
Welcome aboard, and thanks for flying with Delta Flight. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying restroom smoke detectors. There are 8 exits on this plane, 8 doors, 4 on each side.
This airplane identify each exit with the green symbol. Arrows indicate the direction to the exit. Locate the exit nearest you using these green symbols, keeping in mind the nearest exit might be behind you.
It's unlikely, but if cabin pressure changes, the panels inside the lavatories and above your seat will open, revealing oxygen masks. If this happens, reach up and pull the mask or red streamer towards you until the tube is fully extended. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, slip the elastic strap over your head and adjust the
and then opening the pouch. Slip the vest over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist and attach it to the buckle in front and adjust securely around your waist. As you leave the plane, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tab at the bottom of the vest, or manually inflate it by blowing into the tube at shoulder level.
A water activation. Refer to the safety information card for instructions on how to use the life vest for children who weigh less than 35 pounds. If necessary, we'll distribute life vests for in-lab children.
Now, before we take off, be sure seat backs are upright. Tray tables and carry-on items are stowed. If you're seated in business class, ensure your suite door is open. Please note that there is a placard on the door, visible when closed, explaining how to use the suite door in case of an emergency. If you're seated in the main cabin, please ensure your aisle armrests are lowered, and in the Delta Premium Select cabin, ensure aisle armrests are raised.
As we come through the cabin for our final safety check, please let us know if you have any questions. And finally, now would be a good time for everyone to review the safety information card, which is in your seat pocket. When you fly with Delta, you help change lives. One dream, one moment, one home at a time.
Now, as we get ready for takeoff, please settle in and have a wonderful flight. Thank you for flying with Delta.
if you are remaining in your seat, you keep your seatbelt lightly fastened around you in case we encounter any unexpected turbulence. Thank you. Retirement, but they couldn't do that because of COVID and everything else. So there's a bakery in Seattle that has made Delta airplanes, cookies, and everything else here. And the flight attendants are going to be coming back. I hope you share my version of a retirement cake. 20 and row 21. My wife Linda is in 21 Hotel. If you'd like to thank her for putting up with me and give her some good luck on taking care of me during retirement, please feel free. We'd like to ask the flight attendants to prepare the cabin for arrival.
It's been our absolute pleasure to serve you today, and as we prepare for landing, please ensure your seatbelt is fastened. Your seat back and tray table are in the upright and locked position. Please ensure your large electronic devices such as laptops are stowed at this time in a bag under the seat in front of you or in the injury from your items that may have shifted during flight. Remain Delta's top priority. As we deplane today, we are asking everyone to help us out by allowing extra space between yourself and other customers. Please remain seated until the customers seated in front of you have retrieved their items and begin moving toward the boarding door. Once the row in front of you is 6 feet away, you may retrieve your items and deplane. We appreciate your understanding and assistance. And before leaving the aircraft, take a quick look around your seat and make sure you have everything you brought on board. Your satisfaction is also important to us. In the next several days' time, you may receive an email survey from Delta. We value your feedback and use your responses to continue to improve your travel experience. We invite you to visit Delta.com for all your future travel needs, including checking in for flights and managing your SkyMiles account. On behalf of Delta, we'd like to thank you again for sharing your journey with us. We enjoyed having you on board, and we look forward to the opportunity to serve you again soon. Thank you, and have a very pleasant evening. and cross-check.